Hello guys, this will be a short video. We're just going to restructure a little bit the way we import our Binance API keys, because this is not really the standard way of doing things. There is a much better and standard way of doing it, so we're going to quickly do that. For that, what we need to do is we need to install a library, a module that is called python-decouple. This allows us to create a .env file where we can store our secrets or our environment variables. So Binance API key, we want to store that in a .env file. It's much better than storing it in environment vars.py. For that, what we need to do is we need to install python-decouple. So we're going to do python pip install python-decouple. All right. And right now, what we can do in here is we can do from decouple import config. And this line we can now remove. Then we're going to fetch the keys like that. So it's config and then the name of the environment variable you want to get. So like that. And then in our root of our project, we can create a new file, .env. And in this file, we are going to create our environment variables. So we can take it from here, add them in here, can remove the quotes like that. And this environment vars.py we're now going to remove. So right now we get them from the .env file like that. And one thing also what we are going to do is we are going to take all of this code. So all of the code that is in tradingbot.py, we're going to take it and we are going to go to our Klines app in views, and we are going to paste everything in here like that. And our trading bot, we can remove it as well. Yes. Okay. So yeah, so right now we are ready for the next video. In the next video, we're going to create our Klines in the database. So we're going to fetch them and then put them in the database directly. So see you in the next one.